Okay, this is a dual CNC vertical angle cutting bandsaw, model TF-2021NC. Serial number 460-94163. It's new in 1994. It'll cut a 21 by 20 inch rectangular piece, 20-inch round. At the tilt of 45 degree, it's 14 high and 20 wide, 14-inch round. It has an 1.25 inch blade, and you'll see it run. It's got a PLC here that with you can program in multiple cuts and different lengths and different tilts or different miter. It's got the hydraulics going. You have up to 300 FPM of blade speed. Right now he's closing the front vise, opening.
Both up and down.
That's for your height of material.
Going forward. You can adjust your force and how fast it moves here. Tilt on the straight.
In auto cycle, you can again program it to do different lengths and different tilts.
First cut. Approaches,
Made his first cut, it's now retracting. It's pulling the material forward again. Now it's going to cut a different angle.
Going.
And yeah, it'll repeat. Okay, so you've seen it. You saw it miter, you saw it run, you saw it feed through. It's original paint. It's a new 1994 tilt frame bandsaw. Thank you for watching the video.